Picture this: a peaceful farm where cows lazily graze, chickens cluck in harmony, and pigs roll in the mud until the ground starts trembling. Out of nowhere, a horde of giant lizards crashes the barnyard party, flicking their forked tongues and eyeing the livestock like a buffet. The farm animals, caught off guard but not about to go down without a fight, Rabbits are not rodents. They belong to their own group called lagomorphs, along with hares and pikas. Rabbits can jump up to 3 feet, 1 meter high, and 10 feet, 3 meters long in a single leap. Rabbits produce a special type of poop called cecotropes, which they eat to absorb extra nutrients. It's normal and healthy. Rabbits are not rodents. They belong to their own group called lagomorphs, along with hares and pikas. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine, often piling up dung in the same spot to form dung middens. Rhinos have excellent hearing and sense of smell, but poor eyesight. They often rely on scent and sound more than sight. Rhinos are heavily poached for their horns, driven by illegal trade, especially for use in traditional medicine, despite no proven benefits. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine. Polar bears have dense fur and a thick layer of fat, blubber, to keep warm in freezing temperatures. Polar bears mostly live alone, except mothers with cubs or during mating season. Polar bears primarily eat seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. They can swim for hours to catch prey or travel between ice floes. Polar bears live mainly in the Arctic region on sea ice. Wolves are the ancestors of domestic dogs, Canis lupus familiaris, diverging around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. Wolves form lifelong family bonds and care deeply for each other, sharing food and caring for the young and sick. Wolves howl to communicate across distances. It's used for coordination, territory marking, and bonding. Each wolf's howl is unique. Wolves are the ancestors of domestic dogs, Canis lupus familiaris, diverging around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. Bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Polar bears live in the Arctic, while pandas are native to China. Bears have excellent memory, problem-solving skills, and have been observed using tools in the wild. Bears help control prey populations and disperse seeds. For example, by eating berries and defecating in other areas, they help forests grow. Bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Polar bears live in the Arctic, while pandas are native to China. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport, like bullfighting. Bulls can be territorial and aggressive, especially around other males or during breeding season. Bulls eat grass, hay, grains, and silage, just like cows. They have a 4-chambered stomach to help digest tough plant matter. Bulls are important in livestock breeding for meat or dairy production. Blue iguanas are among the largest land lizards in the Western Hemisphere, reaching up to 5 feet, 1.5 meters long. Blue iguanas live in rocky, sunlit areas of dry forests and shrublands. They mainly eat leaves, flowers, fruits, and plants, though they may occasionally snack on insects or fungi. Blue iguanas were once almost extinct, with only about 10 to 25 left in the wild in the early 2000s. Blue iguanas, predators like feral cats and dogs, habitat destruction, and vehicle collisions. Iguanas are native to Central and South America, the Caribbean, and parts of Mexico. Some live in trees, others on the ground. Iguanas have long, whip-like tails they use to defend themselves by lashing at predators. Iguanas have a large flap of skin under their chin, called a dewlap, used for communication and temperature regulation. Iguanas often appear in children's books, cartoons, and reptile exhibits. Alligators are cold-blooded reptiles and belong to the same order as crocodiles, but they are different animals. Alligators eat fish, birds, turtles, mammals, and even carrion, dead animals. They wait quietly in water and lunge at prey with powerful jaws. Alligators can stick just their eyes and nostrils above water to stay hidden while watching prey. Alligators are cold-blooded reptiles. Rally together in the most absurd showdown nature never intended. The cows, usually docile, form a defensive line, swinging their tails like whips and mooing defiantly. Meanwhile, the pigs, surprisingly tactical, start digging trenches to trip up the scaly invaders.